Hello kids, this is Mr. Fed, and this little short video is going to show you how to get started on your homework assignment. So if you actually have the sheet of paper that I handed out in class, you'll see that there are two parts. Number one, you have to watch the first two videos about computer programming in the Khan Academy website, and number two, you have to open up a word processor and type in your own words what you think a computer program is. And number three, you have to actually connect some arrows about the software or computer program steps that we talked about in class. So I just wanted to give you a little help on how to get started. So first thing I want you to do is talk to your parents about the note that I put in there for them to install K9 Web Protection. Also, there is another video that I just made for them to actually see how to do this. So let's open up a web browser. Let's start with Internet Explorer, and after, I assume that you're gonna do this after your parents have installed K9 Web Protection. So here on the address bar, we're gonna type the class website, my website, fedcalderon.azurewebsites.net. Hit enter, click go, and here I just also updated the website so it looks a little bit different. And if you go here to courses at NCCS for New Covenant Christian School, the one that has a link right now that works is Intro to Computer Programming. Notice that in the fall and spring coming up, we're going to have Conversational Spanish and Intro to Computer Programming Part 2. So let's click on Intro to Computer Programming, and here you can actually have access to the syllabus all the time, and you can go to the Khan Academy link, or you can look at the week 1 assignments. So let's take a quick look at this right here. Here's the quiz. If you are registered for the class and you did not attend, please print this out and fill out the quiz and bring it in next time, okay? And here is the actual computer assignment, okay? If you click on this link, it will take you to the Khan Academy website, and here is the instructions on the computer, how to on writing in your own words what a computer program is. And also here, this is really not B, it should have been number 3. Here's, you need to do your arrow connections. So let's go back to the main tab here, and you can actually look at the slides, okay? Now part 3 here, this part right here, in order to get that right, you're gonna have to look at this slide right here, okay? The first one. See if you can figure that out. Also, if this is too small for you, check this out. You see that button? That brings it up in full screen, or it's gonna amplify it. There you go. So it's much better to read, okay? And you can navigate the slides like this, okay? So check this out. What is a computer program? Slide 7. Okay, so let's go back to, okay, question number 2. Describe in your own words what a computer program is. And what I would like for you to do is, let's do this. Let's put this in half the screen, and let's open up Microsoft Word. Okay, a word processor is a computer program that will allow you to type any type of document, like make this homework assignment or something else. So for example, Microsoft Word is one of the most popular word processors that you can find. There's also a free one called OpenOffice, or we have Google Docs, but in this case, let me show you how to open up Microsoft Word. So you go to Microsoft Office if you have this installed, and you select Word. In my case, I have version 2013, but whatever version you have will work. Also, click on blank document, and you can have these two screens side by side, and you can say week 1 intro to computer programming, homework question 2, and you can say the computer program is, and you tell me what you think it is, and it's okay for you to look at this slide and give me your own ideas on what you think a computer program is. Also, let me point this out, that since your parents already installed K9 Protection, you can go to google.com and you can actually type what is a computer program in your search bar, and Google will come out and tell you, give you a few links. Okay, notice that K9 Safe Search appears, and so that gives you an indication that you are protected when you do this. Okay, and this is very good because you don't want to be unprotected. So you can open Wikipedia, for example, and you can read a little bit about what a computer program is. Okay, and then after you read it in your own words, you can type it, and then if you have a printer, you could go print, and then you just send it to your printer. Okay, now let me show you another way. If you don't have a Microsoft Word, you can every Windows installation comes with a program called Notepad. So if you, on the search bar right there, you can type Notepad. You can just type a hit. Week 1 intro to computer programming, homework 2, computer program is, and then you tell me what it is. Okay, so that's for question number 2, and let me close that. And then question number 1 was watch the first 2 videos about computer programming in the Khan Academy website. So if you actually go back to the class website, you see the Khan Academy has a link. So if you click that link, it takes you to the Khan Academy website. It takes a little while. Okay, there we are. So these are the first 2 videos that I want you to watch. Okay, what is programming, and a tour of programming on the Khan Academy. So for example, we can click on what is programming, and we're going to see this pop up, and then we can click play.
Welcome to our program.
There you go, and you can watch those 2. Okay, and that will be that will complete your first homework assignment. Okay, so if you have any questions, we'll talk about it in class, or you can have your parents send me an email or give me a call. Now, where's my contact information? Well, you can find it in 2 places. One is click on the syllabus, and you will find my email right here and my phone number right there. Or if you go contact on the website, it's my number and email. Okay, and also you can contact the school. You can talk to Miss Sandy or Miss Chris, and they will send me the question. All right, and this right there, and that will be all. Thank you.